Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the use of arc command in AutoCAD. So let us begin our tutorial. First, press arc in your keyboard, then specify start point of arc. After the selection of the start point, as you can see that if we increase the span of the line, now specify the second point on your PC. The size of the arc is also increased. Afterwards, specify the point of arc, then press mouse key to stable the arc. Similarly, for more practice, again use press arc command in AutoCAD. And repeat the same process that we used earlier. Do you know arc command is mostly used to make doors and windows? For more basic tutorial, please stay with us. And do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the like button. Thanks.